Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G, and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to enter the settings, and now let's find supplementary services. As you can see, I've got some problems with my SIM card, but no worries, I can still show you where to find the call waiting option, which is right here. So in order to activate that, just tap on this switcher, and since this circle will be on the right side, it means that this option is activated, so your device will notify you about any other incoming call if you will be currently on the phone call. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to actually find the call waiting in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.